Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Hey, video. This is my granddaughter and I will be doing her face. And she is how?
16, about to turn 16.
About to turn 16, so we're just playing in a little makeup. So you guys not seeing me because every time I sit like with her, the camera just keep focusing in and out. And it's just a mess. I told her she could just be in the camera and so it could just stay focused on her and not try to pick up my face. So guys, just sit back, enjoy the video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Thanks. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a video. Okay. This feels kind of funny not being able to show my face. But I don't know. I got to figure out how both of us could sit in the camera and the camera will stay focused on both of us. I don't know how to do that. Not yet. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and try to clean up her eyebrows. And we're just gonna... I don't want to use much on her. So Destiny, what grade you be in when school start back?
11.
Okay. You'll be a junior. Not bad. Okay. So she do want a little bit of eyeshadow. So we're gonna go in with the Masquerade palette from the Nubia's Place. Come closer to me. Yeah. So you just want one color or you want two?
I do two.
You want two colors? You know how you want them?
Probably the blue at the bottom, and then the pink going into the
Okay. Okay, so you just want it like land only on the outside. I mean the lower lid's like right up in here. Okay. And you want the pink on the outside or the blue on the outside? You want the blue on the outside, right? Okay. So let's go ahead and prime your eyelid. So the primer I'm using is by MAC. We're just gonna put a little bit on her eyelid. And I'm not gonna put any false lashes on her because I don't want to mess up her natural lashes. Okay. Okay. So we're just gonna put a little powder on your lid just so that it can apply on just a little bit. And that's all we're gonna do. Just put a little powder here. And the powder I'm using is I think by Revlon. It's the Photo Ready. So what I'm gonna have to do is just really get on there and try to see how to set my lens so that both of us could be sitting in the camera without it losing focus on one of us. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the pink on the inner eyelid, and then we're gonna put the blue on the outer, right? Okay. Not towards me. Yeah. There you go. Just like that for me. I think this is my first time making your face up, isn't it? I don't know why I cannot. It's hard for me to work on my left side. Oh, no, let me see. So what we're doing is we just keeping these colors down on her lower eyelid. We don't want to go all the way up into her crease. I think that'll be too much for her age. Even though we're not going anywhere, we're just planning makeup. Okay, open up. Yeah. Can you keep your eyes open? Yeah, just keep them open. Yeah, oh, look at me. Yeah, just keep looking at me. Fluffy brush.
Oh my god, it's Krayshawn.
Yeah. And so now we're gonna go in with the blue, and we're gonna mainly keep this on the outer corner. Let me get a pencil. You must. Is pink your favorite color or blue? Blue. That's why you wanted blue. All right. I think we're done with that color. Now we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this antioxidant dew. We're gonna use just a little bit of this collab foundation. I'll put a little bit here on the sponge. If I got any left. Okay, yeah. For her, just a little bit will go a long way. Just gonna put a little bit more on here because I want to use it as a concealer right up under her eye.
Oh, you basic ass hoes out there. Man, I got rooms full of bad bitches. They don't need Gucci. They don't need Louis. Swaggin'. Hey.
I bet you're not gonna be wanting to wear no makeup after this, huh? You're like, oh, I don't know about all that. That's too much. Okay, look up for me. You do? Mm-hmm. It's fun to put on makeup. I put on makeup and I take it right off. I don't have to go nowhere. Just like put it on. So that's all of the foundation we're going to put on. Then I'm just going to put a little mascara. Lashes are long. Yeah, you don't want to mess up the lashes. Don't put no everywhere false lashes. You don't want to run your lashes. Long. Now we're going to use our Anastasia Beverly Hills blush kit. Which color do you want to use? The brown? That's not going to show up. That one? Okay. Okay, we're going to put on a little blush. Yes, we're just going to just give her just a little bit of blush. So we got her blush on, so we're just gonna put just a little bit of highlighter on her, and it's called Purple Dream, and this is what it looks like. I have never used this, but we're gonna see how it works first time.
Oh my god, it's Krayshawn.
Whoa, that is purple. Oh my god. So that's supposed to be like that? Oh my. It's cute though. I guess it's like a, I don't know, like a mermaid. It looks brown. Guys, look at that. It looks brown in there, but when I put it on her cheek, it turned purple. Like, it's supposed to do that? I guess so, yeah. Okay, pick out the lipstick. Look at that very top one. Gonna put lip gloss. This is what she picked out. It's by Appeal. It's just regular holographic lip gloss. And we're gonna just use a real light brown lip liner. something similar to a lip brush. Let's try this. There you go. Yep. Looks good. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. There you go. That looks good. It's nice on you, Destiny. You're welcome. All right, guys, so thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for hanging in there. Thank you for all your love and support, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave my grandbaby Destiny a thumbs up, guy. And if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe and turn on a notification bell. So that way, every time I drop a video, you guys will be notified. Now, this will not be her last time here on my videos. So I hope you guys enjoy. Have a blessed rest of your day. Enjoy the holiday weekend. And as always, love you guys, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.